Hello students, this is Dr. Manisha and you're watching Inspired Mind Tutorials. I hope आप लोग का सैनिक स्कूल का एग्जाम बहुत अच्छा हुआ होगा। आज हम सैनिक स्कूल का एग्जामिनेशन पेपर जो 9 जनवरी 2022 को हुआ है उसके सॉल्यूशंस डिस्कस करेंगे विद एक्सप्लेनेशंस। सो कीप वाचिंग आवर चैनल and like us, subscribe us and share us as much as possible. So today we are here with solutions of All India Sainik School Entrance Examination 2022. Hello students, today we will be discussing All India Sainik School Entrance Examination 2022 Class 6 solutions. This examination was held on 9th of January across India in different centers. So let's discuss the answer key of this question paper. Firstly, we'll start with section C, that is general knowledge. Question number 76. What is the major source of fresh water in India? Ocean water, river water, pond water or groundwater? The right answer is groundwater. Salman Rushdie won Booker's Prize for which book? The Satanic Verses, Midnight's Children, Furry, Shalimar the Clown. इसका right answer है Midnight Children and he is Salman Rushdie who won Booker's Prize. इनको मिला था Booker's Prize इस book के लिए, Midnight Children के लिए. Then who invented electric bulb is the next question. Thomas Alva Edison, Alexander Graham Bell, Marie Curie, C.V. Raman. इसका राइट आंसर आप सबको पता होगा, इट इज थॉमस एल्वा एडिसन. उन्होंने डिस्कवर किया था बल्ब. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. बाय व्हाट अदर नेम इज वाटर साइकिल नोन एज? वाटर साइकिल का दूसरा नाम क्या है? वाटर मूवमेंट साइकिल, एयर साइकिल, हाइड्रोलॉजिक साइकिल और टेक्टोनिक साइकिल? द राइट आंसर इज हाइड्रोलॉजिक साइकिल. देन क्वेश्चन नंबर 80. पिक एन एग्जाम्पल ऑफ वाटर पोल्यूशन. आपको इनमें से वाटर पोल्यूशन जिसमें आपको पता लग रहा है कि वाटर पोल्यूशन हो रही है वो टिक करना है. एन ऑयल स्पिल फ्रॉम अ लार्ज शिप, एनिमल्स वॉकिंग अलोंग द बीच, ड्रिंकिंग वाटर आउट ऑफ अ प्लास्टिक बॉटल, गैसोलीन इन अ कार. गैसोलीन मीन्स पेट्रोल. ओके, सो हियर द बेस्ट ऑप्शन इज एन ऑयल स्पिल फ्रॉम अ लार्ज शिप. शिप से जो ऑयल गिर रहा है, दैट इज द राइट ऑप्शन. Who has won the Shushila Devi Literature Award for the novel Things to Leave Behind? Kanika Mukherjee, Ram Suri, Namita Gokhale, Rita Chandra. The right answer is Namita Gokhale and she is Namita Gokhale. ये नमिता गोखले जी की फोटोग्राफ है जिनको सुशीला देवी लिटरेचर अवार्ड मिला था इस नॉवेल के लिए, Things to Leave Behind. Where is United Nations headquarters located? Everybody of you know it. It is in New York. These are the headquarters of United Nations. Then next question. Which classical dance is named after the village it originated from? जिस village में से उसका origin हुआ था, उसके बाद कौन सा डांस नेम हुआ है? कुचिपुड़ी, कथकली, भारतनाट्यम, मोहिनीअट्टम. Right answer is Kuchipudi. Then we come to at what do tissues help in? Tissues किस चीज में help करते हैं? Faster development, division of labor among the cells, higher reproductive potential, body strength. The right answer is division of labor among the cells. देखिए ये ऑर्गन है, ऑर्गन डिफरेंट टिश्यूज से बना हुआ होता है और इसमें डिवीजन ऑफ लेबर होता है. सो टिश्यूज हेल्प इन डिवीजन ऑफ लेबर. विच बैक्टीरिया इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ कर्ड? विब्रियो कॉलेरे, लैक्टोबैसिलस एसिडोफिलस, स्ट्रेप्टोकोकस थर्मोफिलस, बैसिलस रेडिसिकोला. द राइट आंसर इज यस, इट इज लैक्टोबैसिलस एसिडोफिलस. देन वी कम टू which of the following statements is true about fossil fuels? They are renewable sources of energy. They are found within top layers of the earth crust. They are formed over the course of 10 years. They are the remains of once living organisms. The right answer is they are the remains of once living organisms. देखिए बेटा, they are non-renewable sources of energy, तो first option is wrong. They are found within top layers of the earth crust, no, they are found in the deep layers of the earth crust. They are formed over the course of 10 years, no, it takes millions of years to form fossil fuels. So the correct option is option number 4. Which sweet did deep fried, dipped in sugar syrup, round shaped and usually orange in color? गाजर का हलवा, रसगुल्ला, भाकरवाड़ी, जलेबी. The right answer is jalebi. See, jalebi. All of you like it. Then question number 88. Reading above dash on Richter scale can cause severe damage. 7, 6, 5, 4. Now what is Richter scale? Richter scale is used to measure the intensity of earthquake. So the right answer here is 5. Richter scale पर 5 से ऊपर की मैग्नीट्यूड आने पर severe destruction show होती है. What does white color in Indian national flag represent? This is our national flag. इसमें 3 colors होते हैं, saffron, white and green. And each of the colors signifies something. What does the white color signify? Sacrifice, peace and truth, prosperity of life, none of this. The right answer is peace and truth. Then question number 90. Pick out the incorrect option. आपको गलत option choose करना है. Gravitation affects only part of the earth. Gravitation pull iron. Gravitation prevents things from floating. Aeroplanes do not fly in gravitational field. Well, the correct answer here is gravitation affects only part of the earth. This statement is incorrect because gravitational force is present all over the earth. Okay. Next question. In which state or union territory is Nanda Devi located? Nanda Devi कहाँ पर है? हिमाचल प्रदेश, जम्मू एंड कश्मीर, उत्तराखंड, उत्तर प्रदेश. The right answer is Uttarakhand. Nanda Devi is located in Uttarakhand. Then what is meant by seed coat? Seed coat क्या होता है? Hard cover around the food stored, hard cover around the baby plant, the protective outer coat of the seed, hard cover around the roots of the plant. The right option is the protective outer coat of the seed is called seed coat. See, these are the parts of the seed and seed coat is the protective outer coat of the seed. Then we come to name the holy book of Parsis. Bible, Zend-Avesta, Quran, Guru Granth Sahib. Now the right option here is Zend-Avesta. Bible is the holy book of Christians, Quran is the holy book of Muslims and Guru Granth Sahib is holy book of Sikhs. Which vitamin deficiency leads to bleeding gums, slow healing of wounds and aching limbs? Vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C or vitamin D? The right answer is vitamin C. Which part of earth supports biodiversity? What do you mean by biodiversity? Biodiversity means the living organisms, the living plants and animals. It includes all the living plants and animals and microorganisms. Biosphere, sanctuary, ecosystem reserve, biotic community. The right answer is biosphere. Where did Buddha attain enlightenment? लंबिनी, बोध गया, सारनाथ, कुशीनगर. Right answer for this question is Bodh Gaya. Bodh Gaya is the place where Buddha attained enlightenment. What process is involved in cloud seeding, which is a technique that induces rain? Adopting an agricultural practice that depends on clouds. When water vapor in the atmosphere cools and condenses around a particle of dust or salt, making clouds and placing them in the sky, scattering clouds to form seed-like structures. The right answer for this question is when water vapor in the atmosphere cools and condenses around a particle of dust or salt. What happens in cloud seeding? Cloud seeding is an old method of rain making. इसमें हम क्या करते हैं, हम कुछ केमिकल्स को ना, पार्टिकल्स को एयर में स्प्रे कर देते हैं, तो जो वाटर वेपर है वो कंडेंस हो जाता है उन पार्टिकल्स के अराउंड और वो हैवी होके रेन की तरह फॉल करने लग जाता है. दिस इज कॉल्ड क्लाउड सीडिंग. Question number 98. Where is the famous Meenakshi temple located? The right answer is Madurai. This is the Meenakshi temple which is located in Madurai. Then question number 99. In which sport is the term knockout used? Well, it is used in boxing. So boxing is the right answer. And the last question of general knowledge section. Who was the chief of army during Indo-Pak War 1971? General P.P. Kumaran Mangalam, Field Marshal S.H.F.J. Manekshaw, General J.N. Chaudhary, General K.S. Thimaya. The right answer is Field Marshal S.H.F.J. Manekshaw. And this is his photograph. The great man. This finishes your general knowledge section, and we will be coming with the solution to English part, reasoning part and mathematics parts very soon. So keep watching our video and have a nice day. Thank you.